Hello and welcome to this video, where we'll be taking a look at the official slim cover from Samsung for their Tab S5e. A simplistic cover, this protects the back and edges of the tab from knocks, bumps and scratches. I noticed the slim design doesn't add any bulk, letting you enjoy your S5e just how Samsung intended. The cover just snaps on and is almost invisible. In fact, I forgot it was there. While this does offer fantastic protection for the back, the screen is left unprotected. I feel that because of this, using a screen protector along with this case would provide better protection. If you're interested in browsing our selection of screen protectors, you can click the card or the link in the description. With that being said, this does stand up well to day-to-day use, so you can be confident that your Tab S5e won't become scratched. The official branding is a nice touch and it maintains the premium look. It definitely adds to the overall look and experience, making this a solid option. It may not be the most protective option on the market, however it does an amazing job of maintaining the slim profile while preventing scratches from general use. That's all we have for our look into the official Samsung slim cover for the Galaxy Tab S5e. Please do let us know what you think in the comments below. For more information or to even purchase this cover, I'll be leaving links in the description and comments of this video.